student, hope you all are fine. So today our topic is polynomial. Now let's see what is polynomial. Polynomial is a function in which the dependent variable is a part of a polynomial expression. Now let's see what is polynomial expression. Like here 4x squared plus 3x minus 7. Here all these 4, 3, 7 are terms and they all are terms, I understand, but like 4 it's first, so 4 is a leading term and 7 is a constant term. Why constant term? Because this 7 does not contain any variable. What is variable? X. Here x is a variable. It does not contain any variable in it. Now let's see which of them can be a polynomial and which of them can't. Suppose here 6x to the power minus 2. Here is the power is in the form of minus. So negative exponent power is not allowed. So this is not a polynomial. Now 1 by x to the power 2. Now the variable is in the denominator, so it is also not a polynomial. Now next one is root x. Now this is also not a polynomial. Why this is not a polynomial? Because the variable x over here is inside a radical. Now what is radical? Radical is here is the root. Radical can be cube root, square root or any other roots are called radical. Now next term, that is 4x square. Yes, it obeys all the roots, so it is a polynomial. And the last one is 7 to the power 5 by 4 divide by 4 root 3 into x to the power 48. This is also a variable. This is also a polynomial because the variable itself has the whole power, whole number power. It does not contain any root. The variable is not in the denominator or anything like that. It even does not contain any negative power. It contains a whole number power. Okay, so now comes types of polynomial. There are 4 types of polynomial: constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Now what is constant polynomial? A polynomial with degree 0 is constant polynomial. Now let's see example like 2, 3, 5 and so on. And like 2 equals to, what is 2? 2 means 2x to the power 0. Why x to the power 0? Anything to the power 0, any number or anything to the power 0 is equals to 1. So 2 into 1 equals to 2. So it is 2 only. Now next is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is polynomial of degree 1. Now let's see example, one of its example, x plus 2. Here or y plus 4 or 3z plus 2 and so on. See over here x to the power 1, y to the power 1, z to the power 1. All the variable powers are 1. That's why it's a linear polynomial which is of degree 1. Now the next is quadratic polynomial. Here the degree of polynomial is 2. Example 2x squared plus 5. Then x squared plus 2 by 7x. Then 5x squared plus 2x plus 3. See, all the variables contains power of degree 2. The last one is cubic polynomial, where all the powers will be in the form of cube. 8x cube, 2x cube plus x plus 1, then 6 minus y cube. See, all the variable contains power of 3. Okay student, now you all know, now I know these all are very simple formulas, but still you all know, still I am saying once so that you can just memorize, because these formulas you will need very badly in this chapter. Now let's see about the formulas. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Next is a minus b whole cube, that is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Here a plus b, here a minus b. This is plus over here, this is minus. This is plus, this is minus. For a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Now next one is a cube minus b cube. No, a cube plus b cube. A plus b